This is an old um, New York, New Haven, and Hartford um, railroad Scherzer Bascule Bridge. It was used by the Metro North Commuter Railroad, and it crosses the Pennock River, and is located in Bridgeport, Connecticut, and the bridge was replaced. And then I'm gonna show you the um, the, the another picture. You see, look, it's raised for boats and ships. It is about to lower. See, the bridge is lowered. This is a strange Scherzer type though, but that's how these inventors done construct their bridges and stuff, right? So um, you see, look, right there, right? See what's added? Yeah. And so it ain't there no more. So it was replaced by a new bridge in 1998. And so this bridge crosses the Pennock River in Bridgeport, Connecticut.